The wait is finally over. Every year, Samsung doesn't just push the boundaries of tech, they set the trend for mobile aesthetics. And with the Galaxy S26 and S26 Plus, color isn't just a choice, it's a statement. Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving deep into the most talked about aspect of the brand new S26 series, the official color lineup. Samsung has gone in a bold new direction this year, blending classic elegance with some truly inspired tones. We've got 4 standard colors and 2 exclusive Samsung store shades to talk about. Let's get into it. Oh, and I almost forgot. Check out my description below for an exclusive 5% off your order on Samsung.com and use my links. First up is the hero color for this year, Cobalt Violet. Now don't let the name fool you, this isn't just light purple. Samsung has used a color shifting satin finish. It has an incredible depth. In direct sunlight, it looks like a deep violet, but in the shade, it softens into a matte, almost grey finish. It's incredibly sophisticated, and thankfully, it's a fingerprint magnet's worst nightmare, meaning it stays clean. Compared to last year, it's much brighter and feels more premium than industrial. If you want a phone that looks like a piece of jewelry, this is the one. Next, we have a color that's going to be polarizing, but in my opinion, it's the sleeper hit, Sky Blue. This replaces the usual blue shadow from last year. It's a very light, desaturated blue with a hint of pastel. It feels very outdoorsy yet professional. It's light enough to be a silver alternative if you're bored of standard silver, but it has so much more character when the light hits the edges. This is definitely for the person who wants something unique without being too tacky at a business meeting. Then we have the 2 staples. White is back, but it's much more solid this year. It's a very bright, almost hard white that leans into a clean or minimalist aesthetic. It's classy, fresh, and very pleasing to the eye. And of course, we have black. You can't have a Galaxy launch without it. This year, it's a grey black. It's darker than the Phantom Black of previous years. It absorbs light beautifully and makes the screen pop even more. If you always put your phone in a case, this is your safest bet. But even naked, it looks like a stealth fighter. What more can I say? A staple classic. Now, let's talk about the exclusives. If you order directly from Samsung.com, you get access to the fun colors. This year, they're leaning into the shimmy shimmy, if you know what I mean. Pink Gold is vibrant. It's not neon, but it's definitely a head turner. It has a slight metallic flake in it that catches the light like a sports car. And then there's Silver Shadow. This is a classic. It's very similar to last year's Silver Shadow of the S25 era. These 2 are for the people who want their tech to reflect a high energy personality. So there you have it. Whether you go for the sophisticated Silver Shadow, the Sky Blue, or the bold Pink Gold, the S26 and S26 Plus are looking better than ever. The build quality feels tighter, and these colors really highlight the new refined edges of the frame. But I want to know what you think. Which color are you going to be pre-ordering? Are you a black stroke silver traditionalist? Or are you going for that pink gold? Drop a comment below and let's discuss. If you are pre-ordering, then use my link in the description below and my exclusive discount code AFF_TechZilla at checkout for 5% off your order. Don't forget to hit that like button if this helped you decide, and subscribe for our full deep dive review coming next week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.